Greetings, everyone. I just wanted to talk about some exciting 2021 initiatives that you're going to begin to hear about, and we're going to talk about at the workshop. The last couple of years, I've been honored to work with all of you as the president of OWL. I've enjoyed the journey. It's had its ups and downs, but it makes it so much better when I have all of you that I work with, collaborate with, partner with, and be a team with. I think it's great having the team that we have right now. We work together, we can collaborate. I think some days Beth's funny emails, lift me up. I just think it's a great opportunity that we all have together to be doing an amazing thing for business owners. I wanted to also let you know that we have some new members to the team that you'll get to meet at the workshop. Tina Wong is coming from corporate. She I suppose maybe 6 or 7 months ago, had come from San Francisco. So she's got some great client services background, really understands the model, has kind of an auditing background. She's been with us since March 15th. She's doing amazing, and we're really honored to have her work with us as a team. So you'll have to stop into the office and meet everybody soon. Come have lunch with us. I'd love to take you out to lunch. You can meet the new people that have come on board. And we've recently moved just across the hall from Suite 201 to Suite 200. So I'd love to take you to lunch and have you stop in and meet everybody. Greg Kesper has been with us since January. He started. He's been out with Sabathani Cultural Center in South Minneapolis. He's been working with what was PJ Murphy's Bakery out in kind of West St. Paul, if I said that correctly. He's got, I think, a band of some just incredible clients, Olson Technology, Life in Christ, Ernest Ease, and he also has a background in big corporate. He's been doing amazing for the clients at OWL, and I think he's really enjoying the model. So it's been a lot of fun to have him on board. Eric Perkins just joined us 2 weeks ago. Eric and I actually had the pleasure of working with Courtney, who is also one of our other bookkeepers. Courtney and I worked with Eric out at Cybar, which was an OWL client, and we actually placed Eric there about 6 years ago when we were working on a project and kind of revamping their entire financial department. So it was fun to be able to recruit Eric over as he was leaving Cybar and just looking for a different journey. It was nice that he came on board with OWL, so we're super honored to have him. It's a thrill to work with him. He's already kind of up and running with many new clients the last couple weeks. So it's been great to have everybody on board. Dave Carr is another individual that's coming on. Dave Carr has been working with OWL for a lot of years. In fact, back in 2013, about 8 years ago, he worked with a client who's coming back to OWL in the next couple weeks, and it was Dave that actually worked with them back in 2013. But Dave is moving from part-time to full-time with OWL, and he starts full-time on May 10th. So we'll have a big celebration and a welcoming for everybody coming on board here in 2021. Hopefully you get to meet everybody at the workshop. In this fall, it'll be nice to meet everybody in person when we can do face-to-face again. The May workshop will be virtual still, but we'll go back to face-to-face in the fall, probably in September with a workshop. So the other things I just wanted to quickly talk about is some initiatives that you're going to see roll out and you'll see us cover at the workshop. We're always trying to figure out how we're unique, right? Our mission is to change the world one well-run business at a time. And we do that by not being mediocre. We're not our competition. We don't do lousy books. We don't not give financial statements. I think we're experts and all of you are very talented. You provide accurate information for your clients. You provide timely financials so they can use that information to make managerial decisions. You make a difference by giving them simply a peace of mind, knowing that you're in control and they know everything is handled. We're going to be just kind of bringing some additional great business practices for our 2021 initiatives around kind of developing our process and procedure, some shared dashboard with some passwords, and also probably how we work our Citrix share file. We've found over the last couple of years that when we have that process and procedure in place, we've been able to step in. If somebody's had to leave for a funeral, they've been sick, we've had somebody out on COVID, somebody else went to the hospital, and somebody else quit, without any notice. And so we found that the clients that had the process and procedure in place, or the bookkeepers that did, that they had that process and procedure in place already, and we were able to share information with them, we could step in immediately and help them out. We also want you to be able to get in a little fishing time, or a little Duluth time, or camping, or boating, or whatever it is that you're doing this summer. We'd like you to have some work-life balance, and having some shared information allows us just to simply partner with you. We can't do everything that you do, but we can fill in for a payroll, or fill in if you're sick or you're out, or just want to take some time off. So they're great initiatives. We've got some great goals that Lindsay and Ariel are rolling out, and we'll talk about it more at the workshop. We're excited about what's happening at OWL. OWL business has doubled since the last 24 months. We've literally doubled in size in business in terms of revenue and dollars. That doesn't happen without you. That's a team. That's a team that's collaborating, partnering, and just doing really excellent work for your clients. So I'm honored to work with you. I'm honored to experience this growth with you. And I hope that we're providing meaningful work in the meantime with a flexible schedule that allows you to have a work-life balance. I hope it's a win-win for both of us. I look forward to seeing each of you at the workshop. And again, stop by, see us for lunch. We'd love to take you out and check out our new digs. We'll see you later.